Thus said the Lord, behold, I will bring evil upon them, which they shall not be able to escape.
Je ziet dus Adem na a nation voor Israël. Mori wa punish in people. Safato. Voor alle de wickedness sari be do tapagrond tapu. Amori wa punish ding. En dat de lecture. Ja Amori wa punish a nation for Israel in righteousness. Safato. For all their wicked ways. Amori wa evil kon atap ding. Evil betekent bad times. Safato. Good.
And though they shall cry unto me,
And thou they shall cry unto me, mis de cry, God yepu, God, Jesus, walusani, safato, samori wantak.
I will not hearken unto them.
I will not hearken unto them. Mori wantak toch ano arki, mis pa de Hebreeuwse Israëlieten e bar cry. Bar Jesus, God help us, mi God yepu, walusani. Mori wantak toch ano arki, ano yep ding. Inasto ang samori wo yepi na de kukuso ang anisyan for Israel. De wang. There is not dalag, there is no perish. Go ahead. Jeremiah 6:9.
Jeremiah chapter 6 verse 19. It says, here on earth, behold, I will bring evil upon this people.
I will bring evil upon this people, a people that na a nation for Israel. Mori wa otja evil ko natap de Hebreeuwse Israëlieten. En na de likja. Go ahead.
Even the fruits of their thoughts, because they have not hearkened unto my words.
Zie, omdat de no hurken, de no arki na de woorden voor Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai. Dat bekan mori wa otja evil ko tap ding. Follow toch? Go ahead.
Nor to my law, but reject.
You see, they reject the word of Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai. They don't want to keep the laws, statutes, and the commandments to the best of their ability. Dus dat make Amori will destroy ding. Safato, vanwege ons ongehoorzaamheid, they don't want arki, they do all wickedness, commit adultery, Safato, plegen overspel. Sabito, do all witchcraft. Dus dat make Amori will destroy 2/3 voor a nation voor Israël. En de rest voor de wicked Hebreeuwse Israëlieten. Sa panya tap ala de voor ukufa grond tap. What? 1 verse 3.
Jeremiah chapter 15, verse 1.
Amos 5 and 9.
Then said the Lord unto me, thou Moses and Samuel stood before me, yet my mind could not be able, could not be toward his people, this people. Cast them out of my sight and let them go forth. Verse 2.
Read it again. Let's go.
Jeremiah chapter 15, verse 1. Then said the Lord unto me, thou Moses and Samuel stood before me.
Zie, thou Moses and Samuel stood before me. En bek Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shem, ik amori wa abmersi na tap afvallig voor Israël. Maar toch amori wang Yahweh no bede eens na Samuel na Moses. Isa pa to, wis pa de mga begi amori wang voor abmersi na tap a nation voor Israël. Toch amori wang no bede eens. Isa pa to, go ahead. Na de be wicked. Go ahead.
Yet my mind could not be toward this people.
Yet my mind could not be toward this people, toward a nation for Israel. Omdat de wicked, all of the Hebreeuwse Israëlieten, grootste deel voor a nation for Israel na so wickedness dit. And they wicked. What?
Cast them out of my sight and let them go forth.
Dus she cast them out of my sight and let them go forth. Dat mek ook amori ma senu go in slavernij. Mek tide de uno de no egi kondre moro. Safato. Dit op alle defu ukufa grond tapu. Noord, oost, zuid, naar west, verdwaal. What?
Verse 2. And it shall come to pass that they say unto me, whither shall we go forth? Then thou shalt tell them, thus said the Lord, such as were for death, to death, and such as are for the sword, to the sword, and such as are for the famine, to the famine, and such as for the captivity, to the captivity.
Zie, amor de accepta, oké, dat even tegen hem, tak dem go, dat pedo go. Kung tegen de tak dem go. Mori wij tegen hem, ja, dat some of them nagi aswar, some of them nagi hongersnood, some of them nagi slavernij. Safato, man, na wall of the Hebrews in Israel, na so they perish. Safato, so amori man church thing. All of them na they must suffer in a slavery, slavernij. All of them suffer in a famine, hongersnood. Safato, and all of them did it door aswar. Safato. En dan mikirde na nga aswar. What? Ba?
And I, verse 3, and I will appoint over them 4 kinds, said the Lord, the sword to slay, and the dogs to tear, and the fowls of the heaven, and the fowls of the heaven, and the beasts of the earth to devour and destroy.
Ya to understand, Allah de soort facilities na facil judgment, facil dede, sa fato. Ya to. They want sinagi aswar, they want sinagi hongersnood, sabi to. Dus dat sa amori wou judge de Hebrews en Israëlieten om een soort vast. Allemaal heb judgment klaar, dat is. Sa fato. Ik wil zo aan serif ook te de man dat heb de judgment klaar. Go ahead. Amos 5 and
9.
9. Amos 5 and 9.
Amos 5 verse 19. Just as if a man did flee from a lion and a bear met him,
Amos 5.
or went into the house and leaned his hand onto the wall, and a serpent bit him. Amos 5 verse 19. As if a man did flee from a lion and a bear met him.
So dus adifu Yahweh bahashem Yahweh shai. E sorry in a scripture die stak no escape no de, no principle low it no de. Sa fato pay long give you judgment. You know my long give you judgment want a script potik batak na so amori will judge you. Dus you know my long give you judgment. A script tak out delek nat te ma long fu een bear. Sa fato of long fu een low dan bear mitamang. Ma long baka perdoar kote anu sa fato an snake betamang. Sabi to am dat sang. E sorry tak no one escape no de. Ye long for this. You come to here tra bruya. Motofa bruya dat ik gwa moro bigi bruya baka. Sabi to. What?
God, or went into the house and leaned his hand on the wall, and a serpent bit him.
She just that no one escape no de. No one you know man long give you judgment you order. Sa fato. Alama abe fast fa de. Sa fato. Alama abe fast fa osi. No asa osi.
Sarah. Sa bahay. Mano pre sa dawan isang magbanta. Kahit Aman.
Ada di mana?
Amos 5 verse 19. As if a man did flee from a lion and a bear met him and went into the house and leaned his hand on the wall, and a serpent bit him.
She doesn't know escape no de. Sabi to. There is going to be no escape from your judgment, man. Safato, no man longi ordi. If him dede door wa mesal, yo dede door wa mesal. If dede door hongersnood, yo dede door hongersnood. Safato. And if you know a part for elect, some save door one chariot, no isabito, mesal no man touch you. And you
First Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 3. For when they shall see peace and safety, then sudden destruction cometh upon them.
Dato, manalo na umesma din as pera. Safato. Peace and safety.
First Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 3. For when they shall say peace and safety, then sudden destruction cometh upon them, as travail upon a woman with child, and they shall not escape.
Give Jeremiah 16:9. See, there's a scripture for when they shall say peace and safety, then sudden destruction cometh upon them. Dan plotseling verwoesting
Plotseling umesano po anin tapu. May pare people dyan sa Israel na imig malosan na plotseling destruction po anin tapu. Dere tag alasan na so alasan no. Moroy wa tag building tag frida na nga baskier may tanang plotseling verwoesting iko ako tapu. And verwoesting ako anin tapu. Chip chies ta kamoroy wang isen verwoesting ko. Mane sene ko tapu big scale. Halo ko tapu big scale. Sa patog daw parja Israel na.
That's right.
Bari sabi
Jeremiah chapter 16 verse 9. For thus said the Lord of hosts, the power of Israel, behold, I will cause to cease out of this place in your eyes, and in your days the voice of mirth and the voice of gladness, the voice of bridegroom and the voice of the bride.
Ano na umemana in a spirit naman a spirit of mirth, rejoice, sa fato prisiri ala day. No fa ne on brother be make one video day na brother Nation of Days na para soldier to the summer is coming obviously, and the judgments special building. The summer is coming and there is judgment sa fato. Pada sang no mesma in a spirit dat de summertime daw go ay gaan uit chillen isabito so no so dat de focus sa fato pot money kwawang order wa race walo sa sani da plotseling kung destruction na po na dito at amori wa tak pot was stop na ala de sud santi gladness rejoice mirth prisiri sa fato wan de sant na prisiri and amori wa pot was stop thing sa fato go ahead.
God, verse 10. And it shall come to pass when thou shalt shew these people all these words, and they shall say unto thee, wherefore hath the Lord pronounced all this great evil against us?
Ato wana no na o mesma mo sering tak say me kwenta so ongol snood na walo sud sani jullie praten niet goed jullie wensen alleen maar slechte dingen sa walo sud sani niet weten ervan dat alle de sanat sa wetak na volgens a Bijbel alla san sana more want tapi sa fato dat make walo sma mo setak dat make den lo punut for we can sansa skrivi ina word fu ya o bahasha ya o sha what
Can or what is our sin? Or what is our iniquity? Or what is our sin that we have committed against the Lord our power?
ya to wanda sang den tak den ne do no aso sa fato ma un moment sa you ne denk ya hawo ba hashim ya hawo shay I off ba sa fato mante wiki next fu amore wa equini mind sa fato iklari ba sabito
Then shalt thou say unto them, because your fathers have forsaken me, said the Lord.
because your fathers have forsaken me manuno de backup iting flek fare mambo take backup chinti de bende de voorouders sa fato ina eerdere generatie ina tenat ina uruting je volgt toch dus de backup chinti de vier asansa de voorouders bedu niet weten van tak na den bende de voorouders ina tenat sa fato dus de nyama pina of de paifu a igi sansa de do igi wickedness sa den na de paifing wanu amane paifu atrawa ala mai pai ala ma abe igi pai ma sa fato lek fa atrama no roko gi atrama or si so atrama no te ka a fo atrama you furu mayo srotomi sa fato ano kang go ahead.
And have walked after other gods, and have served them, and have worshipped them, and have forsaken me, and have not kept my law.
Zie? En die om even de broers Israëlieten, die horen de wetten voor amoring want dat de best van je vermogen. Die abba doe is thou will spirit. Doe sa de wani. Ja, ik heb een vrije leven.
Alex Terklaan.
Ja. Ik heb een vrije leven. Sang horen de malo. Free will. Sabi to, nada dat. Israel denk je niet repus kontra na ngari ing.
Ayong low.
Oh, yung only left once. Ja to, dus
Yung low spirit.
Bigi ka niet. Sabi to.
May tenakis na tabi.
Hindi de
Ayare. Unelibi lang amoro, das kubigel libalibi. Ay, you only live once. Ni Twitter na takti de inet de ekta. Just kinge de ma ihis dat direk kay go namoro iwang. Ne go verklaar der rommel sebe tuja. De somme de certifice be pirti be era wortu. Ne go vertaal wat as scripture taki every idle word that men shall speak, he shall give account in the day of judgment.
Right.
Sabi. Zapato dus nalik fa ibetaki elder barak betaki. Summertime, judgment time. Sabi. Mas referir pa song e fire. Ito call for summertime. Maumsap og tutag na judgment time.
That's right.
Summertime, judgment time. Right, let for a party, big summer. Set sunny. Versus sa amoro og to, amoro iwa og to set sunny. Hey, judge day. And the people sa de moro furo isranang nengre bus kondre ingi. Nere ingi de so furo. Kung ta murder rate, na nengre bus kondre etanja. Sa fatok, and na de wayere judgment emiti. Summertime, judgment time. It's no party time. Ika abe ini tak ay summertime, mislah, mi offer, dus da mi set mi sani. Ya inasapta ko death angel delitay bakay bari katak na summertime no. Sumo kiri. Pati lip song dara moro iwang. Alasan na party. Jello. Tekik lafu. Awortu fa moro iwang e konde warskewing e ko alasatra. Inawa tek de wortu. Salimar lako e face mako. Mano tak have a good time is slecht. Maar watch the prophecies ku amoro iwa sa eko bird. Wat fout we have a good time. We go a photo we buy wasan, we drink wasan. We doing ano a slecht sani. Maar yung up inboard in the kater is sa samoro iwa tak oko bird. First employ to the comes. See? It's now of the voorbeeld. See? Maar the people know award that in the kater. Sa amoro iwang itchakong. For woesting. Honger snow. Pinating. Une pina. Dalo ko si pina. Moro iwang o turengi uno. We take a word to pa moro iwang i make joke. We take the profit of moro iwang sa Snapchat i make joke. Oh, look sa mga nadep chimboy this. Then us up next. Lato sa te. The boy di snap outers. The boy di snap biggest map tagi na tagpat sa dunes ni code. The biggest map kuno sila no sapsadi ito. At say teko that's the way say teko. Dene libi falcon sawi pa moro iwang. Unu wele mek moitif libi falcon sawi and with chara warski wen kogi. Yeshi. Sa dialogue yoshi calamite ito. Dialogue yoshi. Nunu de tilu ko beito lande yeshi pasay sa nga United States nga China. Nagdemandin mo handles orlog. The tomorrow big economy on earth. Une falak da sanati. Ines taksrana ellipso so abrasanif China. Dialogue washi. Dialogue washi sa okoberi sarana. Ulok bay bungkop san chip sani. Dialogue alade sini sa protekto otro orsinilo produkto ando kis orsinilo praise. Awo luku suma olafu, no luku suma take kick, no luku suma make the salikip chimation ang chimboy. Da unuleg the prophet sol lafu. Read.
And ye have done worse than your fathers.
Ja, want de generatie is moro erg, moro voorvaders.
Daarom me kamoro iwang ucham moro erg calamiteiten ko na detapu. Iya toch? Simple as that.
Yeah, that's
I
right.
talk. Simple as that. Sa taki generasi sa sanga generasi ja.
It says, and ye have done worse than your fathers.
Okay, a generasi dis de libi moro wicked moro erg moro den voorvader. Luko fa de libi. Luko da ngere rebus konter na ngade ingi fa de libi. Wicked,
That's right.
slack, stupid, dumb. Aso de ngere so apolog di libi. Den ngere rebus konter na ngade ingi de golf up pigi mofo. Ma accident wasan according to the Bible sa okobe. Neno sabi? No mo like the libi sukan am the pigi libi shoot libi. What take kicked up the prophet of amoro iwang. Arami ka scripture taki, ye have done worse than your fathers. What?
For behold, ye walk everyone after the imagination of his evil heart, that they may not hearken unto me. Therefore, when I cast you out of this land into a land that you know not, neither ye nor your fathers, and there shall you serve other gods day and night, where I will not show you favor.
Siya natin takabara Amerikang. Amoro sen ugo in one land pe uno sabi. Ugo in Amerikang. Panapta pe de mabige seru tapayel goro tapu okonja so isra ng Guyana, Jamaica. Ala se yu delek nengere bus konde nga de ingilek slap. Sapa to. Ala se yu delek slap. Masrana na wa kontra sa uno sabi. Maalde tulok piru mo po. Ekana trata diri naman. Ekana trata diri naman. Je bent tot trots sa slaaf hier. Jullie kwan nengere wa bus konde of wa ingi. Dat moet je zeggen. Want u de onwetend fusaptak u de in one land sa uno sabi. Want uno land na Israel. Amore wa puru da pe en aga kondre na de witman until the times of the Gentiles be fulfilled.
Right.
En uno deve kona attend dati. U de wa kondre po uno sabi no, therefore others uno be sabja. Nanga trangaw konja. Iya tok. En amore wa tang mo senugo wa kondre pe uno sabi. Go in Amerika na fanap tape overspray tapagron tapo. Amore wa tang wo go in de kondre pe uno be sap nooit en tape wo serve other gods. Look at other gods how we serve. And mainly top how we serve ja. This na a top stupid god how we serve. How we din. Sabi bata we din Jesus de kwa kerki na saptak na stupid god ja. Na wa yertra gado ja. We din de wetma. Wetma na ugado. Unulek Israelita sa ne bribi takude in one land sa uno sabi. Isa walen sa uno sabi. Kaya na walen sa uno sabi. Olat na walen sa uno sabi de land dati. You see? Wisfa ube rule Europa dusuyari. Ma Europa no be walen sa usabi. Walen sa usabi sensu de na Israel. Panapti amoro iwat potugo dape ki unu a promised land and a potugo dape. En so lang u go off, amoro iwat senwa tradition fu kon destroy unu. You see? Amay senwa tradition fu kon destroy unu. Forrita ka kodre. To begi u karna ay save unu. Da we kill the enemies fu unu. To sondu baka, ta ay dwe baka. En alis jaso a doing te like a puro ay talent orsino en a panyaw for dual tapagron tap. Atat na a process sa ekober en unu de ay karu kom baka. And the ones ay rise up kom baka de ones kiss the mind kusaptak ay na dis na atru na dis na sa ekober na so de ko kusowa. A scripture de listen go. Kapag ba.
Therefore, behold, the days come, said the Lord, that it shall no more be said, the Lord liveth that brought up the children of Israel out of the land of Egypt. But the Lord liveth that brought up the children of Israel from the land of the north.
The land of the north. Ay takabara North America, Babylon, United States. Dus na drape in Amerika a great deliverance of in the plaats. See, in Amerika a great deliverance of in the plaats. Nanga the rest fu agron tapu. Ma a biggie delivering, a biggie reading of in the plaats in Amerika. Want tape na a kondre pe ugo in captivity. You see? Good.
And from all the lands whither he had driven them.
See, and ook to ala de trakondre pe amoro iwa panya unu. You follow to? Good.
And I will bring them again into their land that I gave unto their fathers.
See, and amoro iwa tak en au charu baka go in uland. Israel for do that. Au sene son corredo unu ako kusa chago pot inu kondre. Israel sa ode a hoofdkwartier van grondtapo. A kingdom of heaven. You see? Tok ya walo Israelito efentak desref ogo in a land fu Israel. Pe amoro yung etagja ingo do that. Suma ebige sen yule kwa Hebrew Israelit kwa Israel. Tak ay mo ko purde wet masa dapat want askrif tak. Amoro iwan ta hey ka tot self doen. Door fusen e wonderbaar zo na wasa we kari se turine na ya hawi shai. Ko pur uno e charu ko tape. Never stand the scripture. Good.